If you need to know how to replace the batteries or charge your existing batteries in a Ring wireless spotlight, this is the video for you. Welcome in. This is Dad and Son DIY It All. And today we're going to go ahead and charge up our batteries. Now there's a little button on the back of the sensor, and then the batteries pop out. We actually have two. It's optional to have two. It will run with one, but they have these little metal clips that you just depress and the battery will slide right out. Make sure you have a firm grip on it so that way you don't drop it. Now there is a solar option for these, which we don't have, but we do have a dual charger, and once they're green, they're ready to go back in. So you want to make sure you put that cover back on so that way nothing gets into the battery compartment while you're doing the charging. And once you're complete, in ours we have it high enough up for security reasons, but you just press that button on the back of the sensor again. Make sure you slide them in. You can only put them in one direction until you hear that click, and you know you're successful because the sensor will glow back up. So this will keep you safe, allow you to communicate with anybody in the backyard, make sure you can get any visuals of anything going on. Again, I say backyard, that's where ours is. So we hope you enjoyed this, and if you enjoy DIY videos for the entire family, we'd love to have you subscribe and join the Dad and Son community so you can see videos like this solo stove. We do also have our security system of Remus if you watched any of our videos, but we like the extra layer to keep our house safe and keep him safe too. All our best. Take care.